Welcome to Ask and Learn.
This question, we have a baseball player hitting a ball. Okay, so we want to consider, there are two parts in the question. We want to consider the action and reaction pairs. Okay, when the ball is being hit and when the ball is in flight. Okay, so this question is about Newton's third law. Okay, so let's just write down what Newton's third law is about. Okay, when object A exert a force on object B, okay, B exerts an equal and opposite force on A. Okay, so in part A, when the bat hits the ball, okay, we want to identify the action and reaction forces. Okay, so the first pair, the action, okay, force by bat on the ball, and then the reaction is force by ball on the bat. Okay, and then the second pair, okay, the second pair always exists. Okay, so the action is force by earth on ball. Okay, so this is the gravitational force, and then the reaction is force by ball on earth. Okay, so these are the answers for part A. Okay, next, in part B, when the ball is in flight, okay, so the first pair, okay, so the first pair will be the gravitational force by earth on the ball, and then the reaction is force by ball on earth. Okay, and then the second pair will be, okay, since we are not asked to ignore the air, so there will be a force by ball on air. Okay, and the reaction will be force by air on ball. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. Okay, so notice that when I label the forces, I always go by force by something on something. So this allows us to label the force pairs easily, because once we identify the two objects, and then we just need to switch the objects when we want to label or identify the reaction force. Okay, and that's all for this question.